Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to log in through Coinbase application. First, open your application, then tap on Sign In button. Here, you can sign in with Google or Passkey as well as Apple and Wallet. Here, I will be logging in through email address. Then tap on Continue. Here, you have to enter your password. Then tap on Continue. A verification code will be sent to your phone number, so you have to enter the given code. After entering the verification code, it will lead to this page where you have to verify your ID. In order to trade crypto, you will need to complete the identity verification steps and add a payment method as well. After this, you will be successfully logged in to your account. That's it for today's video. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon to never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.